We would suggest that Pi is really best supported if you've got, well, just in general, a good corporate infrastructure for security. And by that we mean, having a good domain security for users, directories, applications, etc. Having good router security, router-based firewalls. Have antivirus software installed with the one restriction that antivirus software should really not be scanning the DAT directories under pi/dat simply because they're constantly being written with archive information. And then, of course, regular operating system patches should be implemented. And then, of course, controlled access. Only give certain people access to this system. Usually, in a system that's got Pi running, we suggest that you're using fixed IP addresses for any of our interface nodes. So the interface computers and the Pi server computers generally have fixed IP addresses, and then the dynamically allocated IP addresses using DHCP are typically used by the client computers. And in addition, we have some common sense security recommendations for any Pi server. Put the Pi server in a secured area, locked door, with decent non-interruptible power source, air conditioning, etc. Have passwords for the local administrator and the Pi admin. Very, very important about this Pi admin. Probably one of the single most common mistakes people make is they forget to change the Pi admin password. The Pi admin password is blank, so you need to change that when you first install the system. Have a screensaver that will lock out idle sessions. It requires a password for reentry. Don't use the Pi server to go out and browse on the internet, even our website. It's just basically better practice, more secure to put these things on a flash drive or CD or something and copy them over. And also we suggest you don't put any client software like ProcessBook, DataLink, or anything else really that's going to be taxing or competing for resources. I mean, Pi is a server class application. It requires a server class machine, and we typically don't see people using that same server machine as a client for using it to view your data.